Hello everyone, kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this chicken with broccoli and bok choy. This is a very delicious, super tasty, and super easy Asian recipe. I hope you're going to like this video, and if you do, please go ahead and click that like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For the list of ingredients, please check out the description box down below. So what I have here is broccoli, just one stalk of broccoli. Also, this is Baby Bok Choy, 2 stalks of Baby Bok Choy. I have minced garlic, red bell pepper, and some chopped onions. Salt, ground white pepper, cornstarch, cooking oil, you could use any cooking oil, sesame oil, soy sauce, and garlic powder. And I also have here is 1.5 pounds of the chicken breast, which I slice into bite size but thinly sliced. I'm going to marinate this for about 15 to 30 minutes in the fridge. You know, chicken breast tends to have not really have a flavor compared to a chicken thigh, so marinating the chicken breast will actually is actually good because that will add flavor to your chicken. The marinade ingredients will be listed down below in the description box as well. Just mix this thoroughly until combined, and again let this sit in the fridge for a good 30 minutes. And now let's get our broccoli ready. Just cut that large stem out and start chopping the broccoli to create florets basically. This is really up to you how you want to cut or how you want to chop your broccoli. I don't like too much of the larger or chunk stem, so I kind of cut that out, but again, this is really up to you, whichever you prefer. Now with the cornstarch, I'm just adding about 2 tablespoons of water until the cornstarch is completely diluted. Now I'm going to cook the chicken first. Make sure that you cook the chicken using a medium to high heat. And I cooked this for about 5 minutes total. Make sure you spread this evenly so all the chickens are cooked, well distributed, so all the chickens are done. And once that's done, all you have to do is remove it from the skillet and set it aside. You can see most of the oil already absorbed by the chicken, so that's just enough oil for you to stir fry the rest of the ingredients. Let's start with our spices, the onions, red bell pepper, and the garlic. Stir fry this until combined or until the garlic is cooked and the onions as well for about a minute. I adjust the heat into medium to low heat now, and now I'm adding the broccoli and also 1/2 cup of chicken stock and the melted diluted cornstarch. I just give it a little mix. I cover this and I let it cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to taste it, see what kind of seasoning I need to add more. I noticed that there's not a whole lot of liquid or sauce, so I added more of the chicken stock, total of 1 cup of chicken stock. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of the sesame oil. 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil, a pinch of salt, and some white pepper. And just stir fry this until they're well combined. And now I'm adding the chicken. And I'm just going to mix this and let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once I'm satisfied with the taste, I'm going to add the bok choy. And on this part, I already turned the heat off. And I just let the bok choy get cooked with the steam from the sauce. I cover this for about 2 minutes before serving them. So there is our chicken with broccoli and bok choy. And now serve it. Transfer it on a serving plate. Start with the bok choy. Now you could plate this no matter how you do it, like it's really up to you, depends on your preference. I like to lay the bok choy first because the bok choy still need to be cooked. And using the sauce from the broccoli, the sauce will cook the bok choy. So serve this while hot. You make sure you plate this while hot. And bok choy tend to get cold right away, so that's also one of the reasons why I put it in the bottom part of the plating. And just top that with the sauce. And there you go. That's our chicken broccoli with bok choy. I hope you liked this video, and again, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and please share this recipe. I appreciate you guys for visiting our channel. Until next time, ciao!